Hey everyone, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do these geometric nails. Start off with a base coat. Next, add the first coat of your polish. You may need 2 to 3 coats to get your polish opaque. When the polish on your nails is dry, add a drop of white polish to a plastic lid or piece of foil. Then, draw a line down the center of your nail and repeat this step on both sides. You may need to go over the stripes again to make sure that the white is opaque. If you made any mistakes, use the base color to fix them. Next, repeat the same steps but make lines going horizontal. And that's it. Just add a top coat and clean up around the nail with a small brush and nail polish remover. If you liked this video or would like to see more nail art, please subscribe to my channel down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!